I the a-hole for telling a woman to take her own life after she asked me to cover up my back acne at the gym? I have bad back acne. It's kind of gross looking, but it usually doesn't stop me from not wearing my jacket unless I get cold and wearing my sports bra in the gym. I was doing the track when this older, early 50s woman passed by me and shot me this dirty look. I figured she had a good look at my back and I just shrugged it off. I got defensive and shot back a look that said I know I have back acne. After a bit, we ended up meeting up at the same spot where she first stared at me and she said something along the lines of, "Honey, you should cover that up." Despite immediately knowing what she was talking about, I asked her what she wanted me to cover up exactly. "Your back zits." I firstly went into a rant at her about how acne technically should be aired out instead of in a sweaty area. If I put my sweater on, it'll make me more zits. I then ripped into her about why she was judging me on keeping my sweater off and that my acne was none of her business. I said it pretty audibly and some runners started looking at us. She scoffed and said that millennials are so sensitive these days and that she was just trying to help me. I feel like maybe I went off on her too much. I don't remember exactly what I said, but I said something along the lines of, "First of all, acne should